Want to make money typing what you hear and then get paid after? Want to make $30 an hour or even $35 an hour just by listening and then typing what you hear? Don't worry, I got 3 methods for you that are so easy and anyone can do it, and it's just the right method for beginners. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's go. So our first site is Rev. Rev is a really trusted website which has been around for a very long time, and it has paid out a lot of money to different people who did transcription work, captions work, and foreign subtitles, right? And I've also used Rev, and it's a really good site, and I just wanted to share it with you guys and you can get a feel of it, right? And so on Rev, it works along really good companies like Viacom, CBS, PBS, TCM, and it has had over 170,000 customers across all industries, right? And we want to make money on Rev too. So what you're going to do is go to the bottom of the page, right? And click where it says become a freelancer, this big white button right there, and click it, and here to say earn money transcribing or captioning from home. So you can do it at home and the comfort of your own home. And here they have different transcriptionist and caption. We want to be transcriptionist, and all you just have to do is listen to audio and video, accurately type what is being said, and then label the speakers. And they pay a range of 30 cents and to $1.10, right, per audio or video minute. So per minute of a video and audio you transcribe, they'll pay you a range of 30 cents to $1.10, right? So you can click on here, it says learn more, right? And here they say you get paid via PayPal, and they do payouts weekly, and the average earning per month is 245,000. Sorry, what did I say? I have no idea what I'm saying. $245, not thousand, but the top monthly earning is 1,495. Yes, I said thousand. So you could earn 1,000 per month, not just $5 or whatever. You can even earn 1,000 per month, and that's really good. And here's saying we're not currently accepting applications from your location, so meaning that they've gotten the amount of people they want at this time who are in my location. So maybe in your location there won't be any people, you might be the only one, and I'm pretty sure you get paid more if you know a foreign language, right? So if you learned a foreign language and think it has nothing to do in life, well, here's an opportunity for you, which is very, yes, I said very helpful. And yeah, so get your paper ready, and it's very easy to work here, and you can get paid. And then our second website or method, whatever you choose to call it, is Scribe, whatever you decide how to pronounce it, it's up to you. So here you can upload your own file, and also in Rev you can upload your own file and pay people to transcribe your stuff, right? But we want to get paid, not pay out money. So here at Scribe, is also it's a site where you can transcribe. So basically it's just transcribe based, right? And here they're just showing people who want to pay out money, who want their own audio files or video files to be transcribed, right? Yeah, they are trusted by all these companies, so meaning that they are good, right? And they're very legit. So here we want to transcribe other people's products, right? And then we get paid. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna scroll down to the bottom. So you're gonna go, it says transcribers right here at the bottom, like where I'm hovering my mouse right there, right? And here is a quick overview. So it's a home-based job. Work at your own convenience, and you get paid $5 to $25 per audio hour. So that's their pay rate, right? So per each hour you transcribe, you get paid at a range of $5 to $25. So meaning you make more money on this side than Rev. So that's why I put this in the second, because it pays more than Rev, right? And they pay you via PayPal. So as I said, get your PayPal wallet ready and let's get to work. You know what I'm saying? So here they give you short files which are 10 minutes or less, so meaning less job for you but more money for you. So yeah, and this one pays out more than Rev, right? So to go to this site, just write Scribe.com. That one there, yeah, there it is, on my mouse right there. You can see on the URL tab right there. So yeah, and they also give monthly bonus of $5 for every 3 hours completed. So they actually pay you more, basically. And then yeah, so what you have to do is you have to apply to their site. So you can't just, I don't know, just start earning money. You have to take a transcription test where they give you different things you have to do, and then they'll review it, and then you start earning money per audio hour, right? So yeah, you just have to click apply now, right, for the test. Then you log in with your PayPal. So they give you an introduction, guidelines, sample terms, and you can read everything else, and there's other practice. Sorry, excuse me. So yeah, you log in with your PayPal. I'm not gonna log in because that would just take too much time. So yeah, go to Scribe.com and you get paid just to type what you hear, and you have to do it as accurately as possible. So the more accurate you are, the more money you get, right? So yeah, they're gonna review it and then they'll see if you're good, and it's very easy to do this, and you can earn some extra money for you, yourself, and you again, and maybe you want to just pay for something, whatever, that's up to you. I'm just here to help you guys, just to make the good dough, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And our third and final website, I just wanted to make this video very short and not just make it like a 20-minute video and just basically going around the bush. I'm just gonna give you the head straight, guys. The last website is TranscribeMe. So this one offers a wide variety of jobs right here. As you can see, data annotation, transcription, translation, and AI data sets, right? So but here we are here to transcribe, not to do all these other things. So it's also like Rev. You can either pay out money to people who do this for you, or you can do this for other people, and then you get paid. And what I like about TranscribeMe is that, like, even if you're below 18, you're a teenager, you can still make a lot of money from this, right? And another good thing and a very big pro on this website is that you don't have to have any transcribing experience from back before or whatever. You just have you can just apply, and then they'll accept you, and then boom, you're already earning money. So what you're gonna do is click on jobs, right? We're gonna take you to this site, and then you're gonna they're gonna pay you via PayPal, right? And you're gonna click they'll pay you at a range of $15 to $22. That's why I put this as the last one, because I wanted you guys to make more money. So here, top monthly earning is $2,200, and the average monthly earning is $250. So you making a lot of money right here. So per each hour you do, you get paid a range of $15 to $22. How great is that, really? So meaning you do 2 hours, you do the math. So all you just have to do here is click get started, and then it's gonna open another tab, and then you're gonna register, and you're gonna do all this, and then so you don't need to look for work, because the work comes to you, and you transcribe whenever you feel like. It's a 24-hour service. Yeah, 24/7. Yeah, you get what I'm trying to say. You understand? I'm pretty sure you do. So yeah, and then you can work as much as you want, or as little as you like, and you transcribe short 2 to 4 minute clips, not long interviews, right? So then it's up to you to do whenever you feel like it, when you're not lazy, and you can put the languages you can speak, and you can even transcribe in foreign languages. So that means more money for you, basically, and you can put in and your PayPal. So again, get that PayPal wallet ready, because that PayPal is gonna be loaded with lots of dough. You know what I'm saying? Ha. Yeah, basically. So yeah, this is the final site. So and then you're gonna have to do they're gonna test you. It's an application test, and they're gonna give you an audio where you have to transcribe. And then even if you don't have any experience, they'll give you PDF files you're gonna read, and what they expect you to do. And then basically they're teaching you how to transcribe, and boom, it's very easy. You're already certified. So yeah. I just like to say thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope it works for you. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna be making a lot of money from this. And thank you guys for watching again. Make sure to share, like, and subscribe, guys, and enjoy, and peace out. Thank you guys again for watching, and I hope you guys make a lot of dough. You know what I'm saying?